Hey guys, I'm Benjamin Lake. I've been playing for roughly 14 years, on and off, throughout various different genres, various different things. I currently play with a band called Stone Deaf. In terms of Collision sticks, I'm currently playing the 5A Reach, and yeah, I'm absolutely loving the quality. I'm loving the extra length on the stick. I didn't think it'd be something that I would normally go for, but it's working out really well. So that's one thing. Another thing is the durability. I'm a pretty hard hitter, and so far they have stood the test of time, so happy days there. In terms of the staff at Collision, so far everyone's been fantastic. Any questions I've had, I've been able to reach out and everyone's got back to me promptly, so thank you very much. In terms of what I'm going to be playing for you guys is a track called Redhead, and I hope you enjoy it.
Suicidal world, you don't say. I can't overfeel for it, you don't care. Not to blame. See without life, that's what makes us sing. So alive. Don't such a word, like you say, she's alive. The trouble makes is a pretty face. And then you know they're looking for. Like a bad, like before. Not for you, now do it. Don't give it down. You hit your heart, I'll bleed you dry if you can. Don't listen, cause you'll get under your skin. I'm over and out now, tired of music. The trouble makes is a pretty face, the place you know and looking for. I'm in the place, like before. So for you, they'll do it for me. I'm a social traveler, watch me. What